You should cut your blessing in every single lesson you learn.
Hey love, Shantara Capier here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so excited to have you. In today's video, I'll be showing you all 2 methods of applying heat transfer vinyl and whether or not the vinyl will stay on after it goes through the washer and dryer process. So step 1 is of course cutting out your design, whether you have a Cricut or a Silhouette machine, and then step 2 is the weeding process. So if you're interested in this design, I do have an Etsy shop where I put all of my cutting files on there. So you guys can head over to my Etsy shop. The link will be in the description. But if you don't feel like searching through the description box, then you can type in Abrielle Impel, and all of my designs are less than $3. So for experiment 1, I am using the iron and pillowcase method, and then I'm also using this parchment paper that I purchased from Dollar Tree just to have a protective cover so that I do not melt my vinyl. And you also want to make sure your steam is off so you don't get any steam holes inside your vinyl. And I also want to tell you guys that my iron is set to cotton and not silk, although this is satin fabric. I did cotton just because I wanted a little bit more heat. And each time you see me press the iron down, it is for 15 seconds at a time, as well as when you see the next method. For both experiments, I did use the same washer and dryer settings, and I did record that for you guys. Also, I want to say when I wash them, I make sure to turn the bonnet inside out, and I use a sensitive skin wash detergent. This is important if you're doing a wash test for your clients, just to make sure that it will not come off their bonnet and you don't know what people are allergic to. Also, if you're going to wash the bonnet before you give it to your client, it may be best to purchase a detergent that does not have any fragrance, simply because, like I said, you don't know what your customer may be allergic to. And each time I did wash the bonnets along with other clothes. And you guys do not have to use the same settings as me. You can obviously use like regular settings. I did deep water wash and heavy just because I wanted an accurate experiment. But you guys can go light on your bonnet. It really does not matter. And I also didn't want to air dry my bonnet because, like I said, I wanted to get the best out of these experiments. So this first clip is from me doing the iron method, and as you see, the eyes kind of lifted up, which I did not notice this until the next day, which encouraged me to go ahead and use the heat press. My heat press is set to 305, and as I mentioned before, each time I press down, I do it for about 15 seconds at a time. And for the heat pressing method, I am inserting the pillowcase again and using parchment paper. So as you see, the eye is back transferred onto the bonnet, and I will be doing another wash test. I did not get a chance to record that process because my boyfriend threw my stuff in the washer. So yeah, I did kind of record a clip of me taking it out the dryer though, but like I said, it was the same settings. And to do this test, this time I was a bit rough. I tried to basically scratch it off the bonnet and nothing came off. So if you guys do want to do this for your customers and you don't have a heat press, then the iron is okay, because the only problem I noticed was with that eye. So if you want to use the iron, I would do a wash test for my customer, but the heat press definitely works. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. As always, don't forget to educate, encourage, and empower by sharing this video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Get your, cause I'ma get mine today. I'm sure.